So our mission is to transform the way that you work. We're going to show you a brief video of the software, and that should speak for itself. But then after that, we're going to build a virtual workspace, which will hopefully tell you a bit more about the tool and how we work. What we're going to try to do now is build a workspace. So you saw a very detailed workspace as my colleague Seth was going through on the video. But the idea of what we do is to try to transform the way you work by bringing the people to the meeting room, essentially. The workspace is called, we refer to it as a vast virtual canvas. It's 160 acres of virtual workspace. It's supported on 3 devices. It's supported on
I'll just hold up.
oh, sorry. Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me in the back?
Yes.
Great. So we're supported on web browsers. We're supported on tablets, and then we're supported on, as you saw in the video, the touchscreen walls.
So if I click on New Workspace, I can create one. I can allow any users to collaborate with me, or I can keep it private. I want to allow everyone to collaborate within my organization. And when I click on the link, it brings me to a blank canvas. And here's where we can upload content. You can drag and drop. We can go to Google Import, add images or YouTube videos, Drive, anything on Box, Dropbox. And we can also add note cards, and that's actually how I'm going to describe your questions. So,
Questions?
So I'm curious, where have you seen success or traction with this?
Well, we were founded in 2012. I'm not technically supposed to use names, but I'm in sales, so they try not to tell me things that they know that I'll tell. But we have a major film company who is one of our customers. We have a major global financial company who's one of our customers. We have found a lot of users who find this very helpful in UI, UX, anybody who's in a creative role, anybody doing marketing, anybody who's doing any sort of brainstorming, anything where you have to collaborate. So if someone were doing a blueprint for a new building, or someone were working on a braking system and they had to interact with people who were all over the world, or you're building a bridge and you have to collaborate with architects from all over the world, this is a really good instrument to do that. Other questions? Yes?
What's your price model for this?
It's $99 per user per month. But we have bags over there somewhere. They're royal blue bags. My card's in there, and I'm definitely offering free trials for a while. So if you're interested, let me know. Give you a trial. Other questions? Yes?
So, can almost any application become visible or reported through this, or is there a process of reporting them, or how does that work?
Can you hear the question? Sorry, can you repeat the
Yeah,
question?
just let's say it was an architectural project.
Right.
So would you be able to tap into the firm's CAD system and draw stuff in directly, or would there be a portal that would have to be set
Yes.
up?
So we also have what we call Bluescape Meet, where you can screencast and use video. So if anything that's native on your desktop could essentially be visible on the workspace, and you can take snapshots of it, so you can actually write on it. So everyone's working on this thing. Same version of the truth. There we go.
Other questions? Yes?
How is the information stored? I assume it's you guys are hosting it since it's web accessible. Can companies who are quite sensitive to their information store it themselves?
Yes, it's a cloud-based application, and it is Amazon Web Services. So as long as that is secure enough for the user. Yes?
Within all the information that's put up there, can I go into what she just wrote, alter it? For instance, if it was a Word document, can I then say, listen, I want to alter that Word document and then pop it back up there?
Yeah, it's live, it's virtual, so you can do that in real time. And it doesn't get erased, so if it were something that were iterative, if you were working on a document collectively, you could save each version of it, and you could see the progression of it. Yes?
As number of document increases, how you find what you're looking for, or how you go there? There is no search there.
Great question. You want to show the location markers?
Yep, so we have location markers to find our way within the workspace. So we have 4 colors, red, yellow, green, blue. You can use them strategically if you want. And I'm going to create one called questions. And then click create marker. Once you have a location marker here, the really cool thing is you can send a message. So you can send a message to whoever has access to this workspace. So it'll bring them directly into that spot.
Yes.
Where does one get that huge screen wall?
So we have partners that we work with that
And what's the cost of
Repeat the question.
sorry. The question was where do you get access to the screen wall? And we're a software company, we're not in the hardware business. So we partner with a number of dealers who we work with to get the walls. But we work with ADI, SPL quite a bit. They're the sort of the most predominant partner that we work with in Boston. Other questions? Yes?
Some of the more established users, how have you seen the ramp, and does it level off over time?
So the question was with the number of users, correct me if I'm
Well,
wrong.
no, with your more established companies, let's say the entertainment company, how have you seen the user number ramp, and does it level out?
That's a great question.
Yeah, I can answer that. With some of the entertainment people who use it, it's very the designers or the producers really don't touch Bluescape. They're more of like the celebrities of it. They'll just see it and be like, I approve it, and just keep it walking. But the people who are doing the day-to-day actually use it. So it kind of levels depending on verticals. Architect firms usually have a really good usage when it comes to users as well.
There's a way to encapsulate the answer is that it probably depends on the company.
Right.
As far as the percentage of the people who use it.
All right, thank you very much, Bluescape.
Thank you.